Good morning. What a great day to grow your business. Oh, I see. You are new in business. And you feel stuck, right? And also, your targeting is confused. No worries. We can help you to analyze the market, reposition your targets, and finally, set a marketing plan that will make you stand out from the competition. And yes, you can save your time, your money, and increase your sales. How? We have the know-how. We have the knowledge to bring more business. Meet our team. Let them help you grow. Nothing is impossible. Pixel it. Use the pixels.